Have you ever wished your plants could grow continuously, strong, green, and completely stress-free from pests? What if I told you that just 1 tablespoon of a natural ingredient can do exactly that? Today I'm sharing a simple but powerful plant booster made from red pepper powder. Red pepper contains capsaicin, a natural compound that protects plants without harming them. Pests like aphids, ants, mites, and caterpillars can't tolerate it, but your plants stay completely safe. Now let's prepare it. Take 1 liter of clean water in jug, add 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, and stir slowly for 1 full minute until the water turns evenly cloudy. This helps the red chili powder spread properly in the water. After this, strain the liquid using a fine cloth or mesh. For soil use, slowly pour the liquid around the base of your plant, keeping a small distance from the stem. This strengthens the root zone and discourages soil-dwelling pests. For leaf protection, spray both the top and underside of the leaves where insects usually hide. Always apply in the early morning or late evening to avoid leaf burn. Repeat this treatment every 10 to 12 days for steady growth and strong pest resistance. Friends, try this natural boost and watch your plants grow healthier, greener, and pest-free.